Welcome back to the farm. We thought we'd do a quick little video here for you on how not everything at the farm is sunshine and puppy dog tails. I'll show you what I mean here. So this is a tray of Lysianthus that when I put the seeds in the tray, right after I seeded it, I dropped the tray. And all the seeds, as you can tell, kind of bounced into the center here and aren't around the outside. So all the plants are bunched up together. Fortunately, this plant, Lysianthus, its seeds, or its roots, excuse me, are so thick and strong that you could almost plant this as a bare root plant. So I'm going to put it in and we'll see if it survives. Okay, well, there you have it. A lot of these ended up just being bare root. And you can see there's like some doubles that I couldn't get apart. There's a triple even over here that I was just going to destroy the roots. And in the end, there was a lot with no soil, and it was just like bare rooting some of them. So we will follow us along, subscribe, and I will shoot another video on these in a couple of months to let you know if they survived. It'll be an interesting test that maybe will help you out in your garden. Have a great day.